We're in downtown St. Pete, and I'm about to take you guys over to Vinoy Park, and we're gonna chit chat some more. So enjoy the vlog. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. So I wanted to talk to you guys about shifting your power. And one of those things is that a lot of times we'll feel like we're powerless. We're not powerless, we're powerful. It's the mindset shift thing. So when I started to make a decision to choose me, my whole life started changing. So that's one of the things that I wanted to say to you guys today is if you shift your mindset, you can shift your life. And that's one of the things that I have been doing, shifting my mindset and giving myself the permission to make changes in my life. Anything that I don't like, I can shift it. Anything that you don't like, you can shift it. I have been shifting my mindset to shift my power. And one of the things that has been making me so happy is people that I'm around, shifting that, because that's one of the things that we can control. And when I stopped being around these toxic, negative, judgmental, low vibrational individuals, my peace became abundant, my joy became abundant. So start choosing yourself. You know, you could start with small things, not just making excuses and saying, I don't have any time. It's because you're not prioritizing what's important, and what is important is you. What's important is me. And when I started vibrating higher, being more confident, loving myself, knowing that I deserve better, my life started showing it. My peace, my finances, everything starts to shift when your mindset shifts. Something else that I wanted to tell you guys is even if you only take 1 minute for yourself, every day you should go somewhere, whether it's before work and stop in the forest or the lake, the beach, the wherever you want to go. But wherever you can find some peace, go there and just sit just for a moment and to take a few deep breaths. It makes you feel so good. And then I like to speak those affirmations at that time too, like, I'm amazing, I'm gonna get through this. So whatever it is that you're going through today, guys, I'm gonna give you guys some encouragement. It may not be okay, but it will be better by the choices that you make, who you associate with yourself, and how much you choose to love yourself. There's always going to be people who aren't going to choose you back. There's so much people. They don't care about you. People don't care about you. People just say they care about you. It's just an easy thing to say. But the truth is, most people are only in your life for how much they can use you. And once they can't use you, then that's it. Nobody can be you. No matter how much people try to imitate, duplicate, try to downplay your gifts, you're still going to be you. You're still going to be talented at the end of the day. You're still going to be blessed. Do you hear me? You're still going to be blessed. Don't let anybody take away what is rightfully yours. There's some times where I have to get tough with myself and tell myself I am not what other people's opinions of me are. There's always going to be people who won't like you. There's always going to be people who will tell you that you'll never win at something, There's always going to be people who will tell you that you'll never be successful. There's always going to be haters. There's always going to be naysayers. There's always going to be people who will try to bring up your past. Tell them my future is bright, full of promises and hopes and blessings. And they will get confused because what people want is to discourage you. Discourage you by taking your gifts and not giving you credit. Take your ideas and then try to say it's their idea. That's garbage. The truth. And something that my dad used to tell me all the time, nobody can be you. That's a unique gift. Nobody can be you. So when you know that with your full chest, I know who I am. Even when it's hard, even when you struggle, even when you feel sad and you doubt yourself, you feel like whatever is going on will never pass. You got to get tough and believe in yourself. You have to also know your worth, and you got to surround yourself by quality people, not people who judge you or who are not supportive, or the people who take advantage of you and talk down about you, talk about you behind your back. I don't mean those people. I mean the people who truly support you. The people who you don't even have to ask them to be there for you, and they will be. Those are the people. You need to grow your circle in those people. I get so much from people that I don't even know, people in books. You can be inspired by people, motivational speakers. You can be motivated by people who are in your life who are good to you that are no longer here. You can find inspiration anywhere. For me, I get inspiration from my faith, knowing my worth and using my gifts and not letting other people, the people who judge you. I have so much people who they doubt me. They talk down about me. Oh, your stupid YouTube, or your business, or this or that, or just because some people don't have enough courage to do what you do, they're going to try to downplay you. Don't listen to them. Be yourself and know that that's always good enough. Being yourself is really a wonderful blessing. When you love yourself, when you know yourself, when you believe in yourself, you're going to keep trying. When the odds seem to be stacked against you, you're not going to give up. You're going to keep trying. So don't give up. Don't let the haters, the naysayers, the users, the people who try to step on your dreams or ride on the coattails of your success, like Gio always says, don't let those people get you down. You're better than that.
Channel member shout out. Global Empire ENT Media, Kicking It with the Rooks, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Just Call Me Sammy, Z Unpacking Life, Always That Girl, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, First Lady 01, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0.
Let me take you to the beach. Let me take you out to eat. Let me take you shopping.